Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be the last person on Earth? It sounds like the plot of a Hollywood movie, but for some, it was a terrifying reality. Let's travel back in time, about 75,000 years ago. Earth was a very different place, a world dominated by ice and a daily struggle for survival. And then, something catastrophic happened. The Toba supervolcano in what is now Indonesia erupted with a force thousands of times more powerful than any volcanic eruption in recorded history. Imagine a volcanic winter that lasted for years. A thick blanket of ash blotted out the sun, causing global temperatures to plummet by as much as 15 degrees Celsius. Plants withered, animals starved, and the fragile human population, our direct ancestors, was pushed to the very brink of extinction. This wasn't just a bad winter. It was a near-apocalyptic event that reshaped the future of humanity. Geneticists who study our DNA have found something fascinating. They've discovered what's called a population bottleneck right around the time of the Toba eruption. What does that mean? It means that the genetic diversity of our species was drastically reduced. It's as if our entire global population was squeezed through a tiny opening, and only a few managed to get through. Some scientists estimate that the number of humans alive on the entire planet dropped to as low as a few thousand individuals. Think about that. The population of a small town, scattered across the globe, holding the entire future of humanity in their hands. So how did we survive? How did our ancestors pull through when so many other species didn't? The answer lies in our greatest strengths: ingenuity and cooperation. Faced with a frozen, desolate world, these small, isolated groups of survivors had to adapt or die. They were likely forced into coastal areas, like the southern coast of Africa, where they could find refuge in a more stable food source from the sea. Shellfish, marine mammals, and edible coastal plants became their lifeline. This wasn't just about finding food. It was about innovating. Archaeological evidence from this period shows a sudden leap in cognitive ability. We see the emergence of more complex tools, the first signs of symbolic thought, like using ochre for paint, and the creation of personal ornaments like shell beads. It's as if this extreme pressure forged a new kind of human mind. Adversity didn't just make us tougher. It made us smarter. They had to communicate better, plan more effectively, and share knowledge within their small groups to navigate this hostile new world. The legacy of the Toba survivors is written in the DNA of every single person alive today. We are all descendants of this small, resilient group who faced down an apocalypse and won. Their struggle is a powerful reminder of our species' incredible capacity for endurance. When the world was at its darkest, when hope seemed lost, they didn't give up. They adapted, they innovated, and they worked together. This story isn't just ancient history. It's a testament to the human spirit. It shows that even in the face of overwhelming odds, we have the ability to not just survive, but to emerge stronger and more creative than before. The next time you feel like you're facing an insurmountable challenge, remember the survivors of Toba. Remember that the same resilience, the same ingenuity, and the same spirit of cooperation flows through your veins. We are the children of the survivors. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this story of survival as incredible as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more journeys into our amazing past. See you in the next video.